What's up, everyone? Earthy Memphis here, and welcome back. If you're coming from YouTube, welcome. This video is a little bit different because I'm talking about my Upwork profile. This video is for my Upwork profile. So, if you go into the link and click on it, you'll get to my Upwork profile and see this video there. If you're coming from Upwork, welcome. I'm Memphis. I'm a Python/Django Web Developer. I love it. I love building sites, and this video is to tell you what my skills are. You can see all my skills on my profile. Well, I know Python-Django, Bootstrap, it's all there. Whatever type of service that you need for a website, I'll be able to do specifically with the Django framework. With the Django framework, you can do pretty much anything. I can pretty much build any site you want with Django. If you need a blog site, a e-commerce site, whatever your needs are, I can provide. The thing I like about Django is that you get a admin dashboard with the framework, so you can update blogs, update products, whatever you want to do at the tip of your fingers. I can even maintain your site for you using the admin, and you'll have your own admin as well. So that comes in really handy, and that's one thing I love about Django. So yeah, if you need a site built, no matter how big or small it is, call me. Link will be in the YouTube description. If you're coming from there, Upwork, send me a proposal. Send me, and I'll get back to you, and we can work something out together. See y'all later. Bye.